In this video, we will show you how to view your active registrations. From the My USF homepage, click on the Student Self-Service tile. You will then be directed to the Student Self-Service landing page, where you will want to select Plan and Register from the Registration menu options. This will take you to the Registration landing page, where you will be able to view your active registration. Select the View Registration Information option. On the next page, there are two tabs at the top: Look Up a Schedule and Active Registrations. Click on the Active Registrations tab. This will open a screen that shows information about each registered course for the term, which displays the course title, campus, grade mode, schedule type, instructional method, level, instructor, start and end dates, credit hours, course reference number, or CRN, and registration status. If you click on the title of a course, it will open a pop-up with additional class details. Note: the active registrations page is not considered an official document to replace a transcript. However, some entities may accept it to show proof of current or future registration if you are asked for a copy of your class schedule. If you need an official enrollment verification, you can obtain one by going to the Student Self-Service landing page and selecting Request Proof of Enrollment. To see other information or watch additional videos with in-depth instructions about the components of Student Self-Service, please check them out on the Office of the Registrar's website. And as always, go Bulls!